Hi, Terry here, your hair care specialist. Today we will show you some great tape options to keep your hair system intact for 2 weeks. Duo-tack tape, which is strips only. As the name suggests, the Duo-tack tape combines red and blue tapes, giving you double the strength with the benefits of both. This pre-cut thin adhesive tape has an odorless, clear, dull finish for a non-shiny look. They are available in different contour shapes like A, C, CC, and straight cuts, providing a strong hold lasting 2 to 3 weeks. These duo tapes are just what your hair system needed. They quickly adhere to the base type and stretch with any skin movement without binding or bunching. No shine rolls or strips. Doing a complete justice to its name, the no shine adhesive rolls and strips are apt for lace front wigs. Its clear, dull finish makes it virtually invisible to the naked eye, with a strong hold that lasts 2 to 4 weeks. This hypoallergenic tape is ideal for people with sensitive skin. It is quickly becoming the most popular permanent wear tape for poly lace hair systems, allowing comfort and flexibility. Max Prodigy. Max Prodigy is made with the latest adhesive technology for securely attaching your poly lace-based hair systems to your scalp for 2 to 4 weeks. This premium zero sheen product gives hair system users a longer, stronger hold. Its ultra thin, super comfortable, breathable, waterproof, and hypoallergenic qualities make it an excellent choice for summer usage. Max Prodigy provides a natural skin appearance with no adhesive bleeds, ensuring perfect placement every time. Walker Tape Pro Flex 2. Walker Tape Pro Flex 2 is a long-lasting, hyperallergenic, medical-grade tape that stays intact on your poly-based hair system for 2 to 4 weeks. It is a clear, water-resistant hair system tape that can be removed easily. It is flexible, comfortable, stretchy with little shine, making it very popular with our hair extension customers also. Whether you're hitting the gym, dancing the night away, or enjoying outdoor activities, our system tapes provide a reliable hold that keeps up with your activities and lifestyle. For more videos like this, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you for choosing Super Hairpieces. Bye for now.